we need to find the area of non-shaded region. It's given that diameter of the smaller semicircle is half the diameter of the larger semicircle. So let's assume the larger semicircle as the diameter of larger semicircle as x and the diameter of smaller semicircle as x by 2, as it is said that diameter of the smaller semicircle is half the diameter of the larger semicircle. Now, if you see, we have given a rectangle over here. So the property of rectangle is the opposite side of a rectangle is equal to each other. So if I assume this line, if I connect both the diameter, that is A and B, so we can say that AB is equal to LM because they are parallel to each other. We know the value of LM is equal to 21 centimeter. So therefore, we can also say that AB is also equal to 21 centimeter. So if you take the whole length and both the diameters, so AB will be equal to 21 centimeter, and in the place of AB, I can write it as x by 2 plus x is equal to 21 centimeter. Now we cross multiply over here with x, so we get x plus 2x upon 2 equal to 21. Let's take this 2 towards 21, it will get cross multiply, we get x plus 2x is equal to 42. X plus 2x can be written as 3x equal to 42. 3x will get shift towards 42, we get x is equal to 42 upon 3. So x is equal to, when we divide 42 upon 3, we get the value of x as 14. Now when we substitute the value of the diameters, let's say this is center O over here. So we get the smaller diameter is AO. So we get AO is equal to x by 2, which is equal to 14 by 2, which is 7. And the larger diameter is OB, which is equal to 14, which is equal to x, which we have assumed. Now we need to find the area of shaded portion, so we can find the area of semicircle and also the area of rectangle. So we first find the area of rectangle. That is length into breadth. The value of length was given as 21 centimeter and the value of breadth was given as 10.5 centimeter. When you calculate this, you get 220.5 centimeter square. Now we find the area of smaller semicircle. So we can write area of smaller semicircle, which is equal to half pi r square. We know the diameter of smaller semicircle, that is D is equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore, radius will be half of diameter, that is 7 upon 2, which is 3.5 centimeter. Now we substitute the value of radius in the given formula, that is half into pi into 3.5 the whole square. Well, you can substitute the pi as 3.14 or 22 by 7. It's better to substitute as 22 by 7 so that 7 and 3.5 get cancelled and the calculation becomes easy. So we can write half 22 by 7. Well, we take 3.5, we won't multiply it, we just write in the expand form. The 7 and 3.5 will get cancelled, we get 0.5. 2 and 11 also will get cancelled. 2 and 22 will get cancelled, we get 11. Now over here, we have 11.5, 0.3.5. So when we multiply these three numbers, we get 19.25 centimeter square. Now we find the area of larger semicircle. So area of larger semicircle, which is equal to half pi r square. The diameter of larger semicircle was 14. So therefore radius will be half of diameter, 14 upon 2, which will give us 7 centimeter. Now we substitute the values. Pi as 22 by 7 and 7 the whole square. So let's say half 22 by 7. We'll expand 7 over here. 7 and 7 get cancelled. This will give us 11. So we are left with 11 into 7, which is nothing but 77 centimeter square. Now we need to find the area of non-shaded portion. So area of non-shaded portion. So we need to find the area of non-shaded portion. For that, we're gonna subtract the area of semicircle of both the semicircle with the area of rectangle. So we write area of rectangle, which is the largest value, subtracted by area of smaller plus area of larger semicircle. Which is equal to 220.5 minus bracket 19.25 plus 77. So when we add the bracket, we're gonna solve the bracket first. So we get as 96.25. So when we subtract 220.5 minus 96.25, we get as 124.25 centimeter square. And that's the answer.